Welcome to EPK Capital. This report summarizes key market events for Monday, November 3rd, 2025, detailing major indices, stock stories, macroeconomic data, political factors, and cryptocurrency movements. How can the market be up and down simultaneously? Yesterday, the market split. AI-powered futures surged, while the old economy declined. This is the Great Divide. The S&P 500 rose 0.2% to 6,851, and the NASDAQ rocketed 0.5% to 23,834. However, the Dow Jones plunged 0.5%, and the Russell 2000 fell 0.3%. This divergence was driven by AI superstars. What propelled the S&P and NASDAQ? Three letters: AI. Amazon rallied 4% on a $38 billion cloud computing deal with OpenAI, marking a significant move in the AI arms race. Nvidia climbed another 2.2%, becoming the strongest positive force lifting the S&P 500. An Australian Bitcoin miner, IREN, surged over 8% after signing a $9.7 billion deal to provide Microsoft access to its Nvidia chip data centers. This wasn't a broad tech rally. While Tesla and Alphabet were up, Meta and Apple were down. The market was buying AI infrastructure, not all tech. While AI titans soared, the old economy faced significant headwinds. The U.S. ISM Manufacturing report showed factory activity shrank more than expected, spooking investors focused on the real economy. This data sent the Dow Jones and Russell 2000 tumbling. The Dow was also weighed down by Kimberly-Clark's stock fall after its acquisition of Kenvue. Disappointing Chinese data also dragged down European mining stocks, signaling global economic weakness. A growing political shadow now hangs over the markets. The ISM Manufacturing report directly linked political uncertainty to economic decisions, quoting a factory manager concerned about tariff threats. ECB and Bank of England heads warned that undermining the U.S. Federal Reserve's independence poses a very serious danger to the global economy, creating background anxiety. A new U.S.-China trade pact was announced, but the market focused on President Trump reportedly telling President Xi that chip sales are between you and Nvidia, highlighting where power lies. Now, a quick check-in on the digital asset space. It was a risk-off day across the board. The total crypto market cap slid 3.5% to $3.69 trillion. Bitcoin dropped sharply below $107,000 from its weekend high of over $111,000. Ethereum dropped 2.8% to $3,636, and altcoins like Solana and BNB were down over 6%. One bullish counterpoint: Bitcoin holdings on exchanges have dropped by 200,000 in 6 months, suggesting long-term holders are accumulating. So, what did we learn from Monday, November 3rd? The market is in a tug-of-war, the AI revolution versus a slowing real economy. Yesterday, AI won the battle for the S&P, but the economic war continues. I'm watching the 10-year Treasury yield, holding steady at 4.1%. Any movement could change everything. I'll also be watching for the next multi-billion-dollar AI deal. That is the data. What's your move? Are you betting on AI superstars or the old economy comeback? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for daily data-driven insights. I will be back tomorrow to analyze the results.